We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make our whole wheat muffin base recipe. Start by adding 1½ cups of white whole wheat flour, 1 to 2 teaspoons of spice, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and ½ teaspoon of kosher salt to a large bowl. Whisk until combined. In a separate medium bowl, add 1 cup to 1½ cups shredded or pureed fruits or vegetables. This can be bananas, as you see that we're doing right now, canned pumpkin, canned sweet potato, a freshly cooked sweet potato, whatever you have on hand in your pantry. If you're using a banana, make sure you mash it until it's fairly smooth. Then add ½ cup buttermilk, ½ cup packed brown sugar, a ¼ cup of canola oil, and 2 large eggs. You can also optionally add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which we do highly recommend. Whisk until fully combined. Next, add ½ cup to 1 cup of optional mix-ins to the dry ingredients. Then, add the wet ingredients to the dry, and using a rubber spatula, fold until just combined. You don't want to over-mix the batter, or the muffins will come out tough and not light and fluffy. So just keep stirring until that last trace of flour disappears. Use a portion scoop or ¼ cup measure to divide the batter into a prepared muffin pan. In this example, we're using silicone muffin cups to line the pan, but you can also use paper cups or just spray the pan with a non-stick spray. Bake at 350 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Enjoy! And always remember, cook confidently, simplify nutrition, and feel better.